Now we have exercise 5.2, fourth problem. Fourth problem, exercise 5.2, fourth problem. The altitude of a right triangle is the altitude of a right triangle is 7 centimeter less than its base if the hypotenuse is 13 centimeter, find the other two sides. Find the other two sides. The altitude of a right triangle is 7 centimeter less than its base. If the hypotenuse is 13 centimeter, find the other two sides. So given we have a right angle triangle. Now the altitude is dependent on the base. So let us assume that the base of the right angle triangle is x. So let the base of the triangle be x. Then according to the problem, altitude is 7 centimeter less than its base. 7 centimeter less than its base. So when we convert into mathematical form, we get altitude is the base minus 7 and hypotenuse is given to you as 13 centimeter. So we have a right angle triangle. The altitude is x minus 7 the base is x and the hypotenuse is 13. So here we are supposed to find the sides of the right angle triangle. That means we need to find the value of AB, the value of BC, and AC is the hypotenuse. Its value is given. So we can use, whenever we get a right angle triangle, we can use the Pythagoras theorem. So by Pythagoras theorem, we get hypotenuse square is equal to side square plus side square. Hypotenuse value is 13. 13 square equals side. One of the side is x minus 7 whole square. Another side is x square. So 13 square is 169. I can use here a minus b whole square. So a square plus b square minus 2ab plus 7x square. So we get 169 is equal to x square. 7 square is 7 times 7, which is equal to 49, minus 2 times 7 is 14, and 14 into x will give us 14x plus x square. So we will get x square minus 14x plus x square plus 49. I am going to shift plus 169 towards the right side. So we will get minus 169 is equal to 0. x square plus x square will give us 2x square minus 14x minus 169 minus 49. So minus 169 plus 49 will give us 9 minus 9 0, 16 minus 4 is 12, and we are going to get the bigger number sign in front of minus 120, in front of 120. So this is minus 120. So I can take out 2 common from here. So 14 is divisible by 2 7 times, 7x, and 16 minus 60 is equal to 0. So x square minus 7x minus 60 is equal to 0. So we will get x square. When I take this 2 here, it goes in the under 0, and you will be left over with 0. So we need to find the factors of minus 60 into x square such that if you add or subtract, you are going to get the middle term. So x square minus 60 factors. So 2, 30, 2, 15, 3, 5, 5, 1. So 2 2s 4, 4 3s 12. 2 2s 4, 12. 12 and 5 combination will give us minus 7x. So minus 12x plus 5x minus 60 is equal to 0. So here I can make the base and take x common, x minus 12 plus I can take 5 common, x minus 12 is equal to 0. 5 into x will give us 5xy. 5 times 12 is going to get 60. Now so we get x plus 5 times x minus 12 is equal to 0. So here the values of x is equal to minus 5 and x is equal to 12. As we cannot take negative sign, so remove this. So value of one of the side is 12. So therefore the base of the triangle is x and its value is 12 centimeter, and the height of the triangle, the altitude is nothing but the height of the triangle, and the altitude of the triangle is x minus 7, which is equal to 12 minus 7 gives 5 centimeter. So therefore base value is 12 centimeter and altitude is 5 centimeter. Moving to the next problem, sixth one. A cottage industry produces a certain number of pottery articles in a day. It was observed on a particular day that the cost of production of each article was 3 more than twice the number of articles produced on that day. If the total cost of production on that day was rupees 90, find the number of articles produced and the cost of each article. So the question you can refer from the textbook, page number 113. Fifth question from the textbook. Sorry, it's fifth question from the textbook, page 113. Fifth question. Refer from textbook. Now let us assume let the number of articles produced be x. So solution, let the number of articles, let the number of articles produced be x. According to the problem, cost of each article, cost of production of each article, cost of production of each article is twice the number, is 3 more than, 3 more than twice the number of articles, twice the number of articles produced. So this can be written as the cost of production of each article is 2 times the number of articles. Here the number of articles is x, so 2 times x plus 3. So we will get 2x plus 3. So this is the cost of production of each article. Therefore, cost of production of each article is 2x plus 3. Then, now what is the total cost? Given the total cost of production on that day was rupees 90. So total cost of production is rupees 90. So the total cost will be the cost of each article times the number of articles. So the total cost production will be number of articles into the cost of each article. So x times 2x plus 3 equals 90. So when we solve, we get x times 2x plus 3 is equal to 90. So x times 2x will give 2x square plus x times 3 will give 3x is equal to 90. So we will get 2x square plus 3x minus 90 is equal to 0. Now we need to find the roots of this quadratic equation. So we are going to multiply by factorization. So we will multiply minus 90 into x square will give us minus 90 x square. Just to find the factors, take the prime factorization. 2, 45, 5, 9, 3 times 3 and 3 times 1. So 5 times 3 is 15 and okay. So we can get 15 and 3 times 2 is 6. We cannot get 3x with this. So to get 3x, 5 times 3 times 3 is 3 times 2 6. So 15, 5 times 3. So 5 times 3 is 15. 15, 3 times 2 is 12x. So we will get the factors as 15x. Okay, just wait. It is not 90, it is 90 into 2. So 90 into 2. So minus 90 into 2 will give 180. So we need to find the factors for 180. With this combination, 2 times 2 4, 4 times 3 is 12, 12, 15, 5 times 3 is 15, So with a combination of 15 and 12 we will get the middle term, that is 2x 33x square, 3x plus 15x minus 12x minus 90 is equal to 0. So I can take 2x square minus 12x, rearranging so that I can get the common factor, minus 90 is equal to 0. So 2x I can take out, x minus 6 plus 15 times x minus 6 is equal to 0. So 2x plus 15 times x minus 6 is equal to 0. So the values of x are 2x plus 15 equals 0 and x is equal to x minus 6 is equal to 0. X is equal to minus 15 by 2 and x value is equal to 6. So we can get the number of articles produced is 6. Therefore, the total number of articles produced is 6 and number of articles produced in one day is 6. Therefore, number of articles produced in one day is 6 and cost of the article is given by 2x plus 3, which is equal to 2 times 6 plus 3, which is equal to 12 plus 3, which is equal to 15.